What a day. It's a double face ripper-upper. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. What a wild day. For a Christmas day, it's Christmas Eve. It's a wild, crazy day. Markets were up big overnight, collapsed, we're down about 200, recovered all the way back, only to get clobbered again down 400, only to come all the way back again. The NASDAQ actually went down from down 110 in the futures to up 50, and now is down about 50. By the way, this is it's about 11:30 Eastern time. It's a wild day, and this is obviously a day for professionals only. Its volume is a little bit thin, but a lot heavier than you might have thought going into a holiday. You're seeing a dramatic amount of fear. I'm getting some panicking phone calls already, so I can tell you that there's a lot of stuff going on that is creating some issues within these markets here. And again, at the end of the day, it's a great day not to get involved, and it's a great day just to forget about everything. This is why we hedge our portfolios so that we don't have to worry about days like this and actually benefit from days like this. So at the end of the day, it's going to be wild. The markets close at 1 o'clock Eastern today. We could see still some crazy movement. It would not shock me if we closed down 500. It would not shock me if we got back to up on the day. It's just that kind of day. You've got oil getting crushed again, as we've been continuing to say, broke right through that 45 level. The high 30s are coming. Whether we get a big rally before that, it's hard to say. Bonds are seeing some buying on a flight to quality. But again, I'm a seller of bonds and will remain so. I believe you'll see the same action in bonds that we saw in crude oil when that hit the peak in the top. So for now, until we have to puke out, we will continue to trade those. Gold is spiking higher, trying to get up to our 1275 level. The grains are kind of mixed, and no surprise. I don't expect much to happen between now and the next couple of days, but we are looking to be a buyer of grains. We're looking to be a buyer of meats. Again, these are things that we look for all the time, and we now see value in here. So when you watch what's going on, again, you look at the market action, look at the tape action. Now, this big whipsaw we're getting up and down is telling you that the markets are getting uncertain here, and more than likely there will be a big rally that we will be looking to sell. Okay, we're going to be looking to sell the next big rally. But right now, today, again, it's a little bit too thin. You're seeing them rip up and down, so why get involved? I always ask the question, unless you know exactly what you're trying to do, or you're trying to buy or sell something at a certain price, let that work. But otherwise, there's really nothing to get involved in here. It's too dramatic. The dollar's a little bit lower, so really, there's not much that I would get involved with. Bitcoin, the crypto is a little bit higher. It's a great day. Go shopping, spend some time with your family and friends. Forget about the markets for today, because whatever happens today, when we start to see real trading come back in, and really that won't happen until next week, but at least we'll have a little bit more action Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday this week to get a better clue and a better handle on what's happening. In the meantime, I want to wish all of you a very, very Merry Christmas, Happy, Healthy New Year. We will have our updates every day as usual on Bubba's Bottom Line next week. In the meantime, if you'd like to get our book, Gold is a Better Way, from our friend Adam Barata of Advantage Gold, just go to bubbatrading.com/gold. And also don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And what a lousy game for Christmas Eve for football. The Denver Broncos and the LA Raiders, or the Oakland Raiders. Should be their last game in Oakland. We'll take the Raiders just for a lump of coal. Have a great Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you so much. We'll see you, everybody.